My wife used to stress over food until she started to eat like this to build muscle. I want to show you a full day of eating today, but it's actually not me. It's for her full day of eating. How my wife actually does this, she's right now in a lean muscle building phase. She's now actually eating so much that what, my dear? She doesn't want to eat anymore. But what makes this even more interesting is that we're gonna be doing this while we're traveling, which can make things so much more complex, and a lot of people just kind of give up because it's just too complicated. But I want to show you how to make this just really simple and easy. So we're gonna take you through the day to show you everything that she's eating to actually maintain her weight and build muscle and try to actually increase her weight. Although right now, well, I'll tell you a little bit later what she's actually discovered. So let's go.
Do I have kale in my teeth? Sausage and kale. And the kale was sauteed in the sausage fat. It's really good.
But this is just the beginning.
What? Oh, because I'm eating kale.
You're right.
That's such a healthy person. What a healthy person thing to do.
But say you didn't always use
Eating kale. Casein's in the...
Now, Krista got sick of struggling with her weight for years until she changed one thing, and it massively shifted everything. I want to show you that in just a minute. But that morning, we knew we were headed to Duck Donuts. So the first thing that she did was started with whole food with a big focus on protein. Oh, they renovated. Whoa! So the crazy thing is that once you implement this, I mean, you're gonna be able to go to a place like this where there's crazy good desserts and you're not gonna wanna eat your face off. You can enjoy them in moderation and it's not gonna screw up your goals. Okay, so the thing we were just fascinated talking about is the fact that, I don't know, we had like a few bites and I got tapped out really quick. But when I finished dieting like a month ago and my hunger was definitely a lot higher. But then when I started to reintroduce calories, which I did intentionally, hi my dear, which I did intentionally was so that by the time I came on this trip, my satiety levels are a lot higher, so it doesn't take what it normally takes to make me feel satisfied. Because I normally, if I had just kept dieting, I would have ravenously devoured those.
You would have been like mad at the kids that they're eating so many.
and what was funny, because, right, you felt the same way.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
She felt the same way.
This is why he has the YouTube channel.
I know, but that's all I wanted to say was just the fact, because she's been building for so long now, it just doesn't do it for you like it used to.
No.
Because you're consuming so many calories. That's why women, moms, you gotta be building muscle and adding calories, which is a hard thing. That took you how long to get over?
Oh, it's like the
You're
past
still
couple.
having a hard time with that.
What? Getting over.
Like allowing the scale to go up because you're building muscle.
Yeah, it's still hard, but I know it's what I have to do to be able to have control over, how much I'm eating and what I look like.
And the crazy part now is, so I've got her up to 2,500 calories, starting at 1700. She's up to 2,500, struggling to eat enough, and her weight has stabilized. Her weight's flat, which means I need to bump her calories up again, which is crazy cool.
I'm not dieting right now. I'm not like thinking about food all the time, and so I felt really fine going there and not needing to eat all the donuts
and the frostings
and everything. So it was a really good feeling to be able to just be able to have control over it and not be so obsessed with the sweets and the food.
That's what metabolic adaptation does to you, which took me a long time to learn. A lot of people telling me how to do it. And so now, that's why I want to echo that message for you. So this way of eating really centers entirely around muscle building. Now, if you've never spent time intentionally eating enough protein, eating whole foods, and trying to just get stronger in your lifts, then you're missing out an entire world of results. What you got?
Taco bowl.
That is an epic bowl. Let's see the bowl. What's in it?
Rice, beef, a little bit of black beans, some goat cheese, salsa, spinach, pico de gallo.
And then we forgot to mention,
Oh yeah, that was before duck donuts.
you have a
Bone broth.
2
Shake.
scoops of bone broth.
2 scoops of bone broth with 2 cups of coconut milk, probably. A slice of ham too.
beef jerky.
You had some beef jerky? That's right, before duck donuts. Is this it for the day?
I had beef jerky.
I think I'm under eating right now. I think I'm under 8.
We'll have something for dessert.
Okay. I'm eating the
We
frosting.
mentioned dessert.
Duck donuts again.
After all the children swiped all the good pieces.
I'm just eating the frosting leftovers. And some donut.
So,
So good.
What do you think in total? How many donuts do you think you ate?
Probably 3. And I
today?
probably still under 8.
Are you being funny?
If I don't eat processed food, I'm having a hard time.
So, even in spite of this, I mean, we're gonna put the calories somewhere up on the screen. She's not tracking, but I'm gonna track this later.
No, I tracked some today.
Oh, you did? For what?
Actually, I tracked almost everything.
Really?
Yeah, and I
Just-
estimated like 3 donuts.
And tell them why.
Because I have a goal that I want to meet. I want to build muscle.
But you don't always do. But that we don't always do this.
What?
This
I
is-
don't always what?
Right. You're just like you're always tracking. You probably are gonna track every day this week. It's gonna be.
No, I didn't exactly track. I just
a
guesstimated
rough
some of it.
idea. But if you want to see what's led her to this point and how she actually lost 40 pounds, I want you to click the video. It's going to be right up here. And as always, go get strong. But first, go give your kids a hug. Because I think family matters more. I'll see you on the next video.